Hey guys, it's Christian again from Best AI Reviews, and today I will show you how to get a free trial with Pictory AI. First, click the link in the description below. It will take you to a page where you can start for free. Fill in your name, last name, email, and password. Then click Continue. You'll receive an email to confirm your email address. Once approved, you can log in. After logging in, you'll be on the Pictory dashboard. If you're new to Pictory, check out my other videos on how to use it. So if you want to upgrade, click your profile on the top right and go to My Subscriptions. There are 3 plans: Standard, Premium, and Teams. You can choose monthly or yearly, but if you choose yearly, then it gives you a 15% discount. If you're ready to choose a plan, click Buy Now. Before checking out, enter the code BESTAIReviews36 for a 20% discount. The price will go from $468 to $374. Once you're happy with the plan, click Proceed. Now that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link below for a free trial. See you next time.